Welcome to Baruk Education, the channel that keeps you updated with current affairs and general knowledge. Science. Question 1. Which part of the brain controls balance and coordination? Correct answer is option B, cerebellum. The cerebellum is responsible for maintaining posture, balance, and coordination of voluntary movements. Question 2. Which of these is a waterborne disease? Correct answer is option C, cholera. Cholera is caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholerae, transmitted through contaminated water and food. Question 3. Which enzyme is found in saliva? Correct answer is option B, ptyalin. Ptyalin salivary amylase initiates the breakdown of starch into maltose in the mouth. Question 4. What is the unit of electrical power? Correct answer is option C, watt. Power is the rate of doing electrical work given by P is equal to VI, where V is voltage and I is current. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Question 5. Which type of mirror is used in vehicle headlights? Correct answer is option A, concave. Concave mirrors focus light rays into a parallel beam when the bulb is placed at its focal point, which increases the range and brightness of headlights. Question 6. What is the chemical formula of bleaching powder? Correct answer is option A, CaOCl2. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. It is used for bleaching and disinfection because it releases chlorine when it reacts with water. Question 7. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? Correct answer is option B, NaHCO3. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, commonly used in baking as a leavening agent. Geography. Question 8. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Correct answer is option B, Tibetan Plateau. The Tibetan Plateau is called the roof of the world because it is the highest and largest plateau on Earth, with an average elevation exceeding 4,500 meters. Question 9. Where is Saddle Peak located? Correct answer is option C, North Andaman. Saddle Peak at about 732 meters is the highest point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and is located in North Andaman. Question 10. Which state is the largest producer of coffee in India? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Karnataka accounts for nearly 70% of India's coffee production due to favorable climatic conditions in the Western Ghats. Question 11. Which pass connects Leh to Srinagar? Correct answer is option C, Zojila. Zojila, located at 3,528 meters, connects Leh in Ladakh with Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir, making it a key pass for strategic and civilian movement. Question 12. Which is the largest island in the Indian territory? Correct answer is option D, Great Nicobar. Great Nicobar Island, covering around 1,045 square kilometers, is the largest island under Indian territory. Polity. Question 13. Who is considered the guardian of the Constitution in India? Correct answer is option C, Supreme Court. The Supreme Court acts as the guardian of the Constitution by interpreting its provisions, protecting fundamental rights, and ensuring laws passed by the legislature do not violate constitutional principles. Question 14. Which article provides for the establishment of the Finance Commission? Correct answer is option A, Article 280. Article 280 mandates the President to constitute a Finance Commission every 5 years to recommend the distribution of financial resources between the center and the states. Question 15. Which of the following is a state subject under the 7th schedule? Correct answer is option B, police. Under the 7th schedule, subjects are divided into union, state, and concurrent lists. Police, public order, and law enforcement fall under the state list. Question 16. Which schedule of the Constitution deals with the allocation of seats in the Rajya Sabha? Correct answer is option B, 4th schedule. The 4th schedule specifies the allocation of seats to each state and union territory in the Rajya Sabha. Question 17. Which article deals with the proclamation of emergency due to war, external aggression, or armed rebellion? Correct answer is option A, Article 352. Article 352 provides for a national emergency due to war, external aggression, or armed rebellion. It requires the approval of both houses of parliament. Economy. Question 18. Which of the following is not a function of the Reserve Bank of India? Correct answer is option C, printing coins. Coins in India are minted by the Government of India while the RBI issues currency notes, except Rs 1 note, which is issued by the government. RBI manages monetary policy and acts as the government's banker. Question 19. Which plan is also known as the Gadgil Plan or Yojana? Correct answer is option A, Third Five-Year Plan. The Third Five-Year Plan, that is from 1961 to 66, emphasized agriculture and community development, formulated by D.R. Gadgil, hence also known as the Gadgil Yojana. Question 20. Which of the following is the largest contributor to India's GDP? Correct answer is option C, services. The services sector, that is IT, banking, transport, trade, etc., contributes around 50 to 55% of India's GDP, making it the largest contributor compared to agriculture and industry. History. Question 21. Who is known as the father of the Indian Renaissance? Correct answer is option A, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, founder of the Brahmo Samaj in 1828, initiated social reforms like abolishing sati and promoting education, earning the title of the father of Indian Renaissance. Question 22. In which year the Battle of Plassey was fought? Correct answer is option A, 1757. The Battle of Plassey was fought between the British East India Company and Siraj-ud-Daulah of Bengal. The victory of the British marked the foundation of British rule in India. Question 23. Who started the Home Rule movement in India? Correct answer is option D, Annie Besant. The Home Rule movement was launched in 1916 by Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak to demand self-governance for India within the British Empire. Question 24. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option A, A.O. Hume. Alan Octavian Hume, a retired British civil servant, founded the Indian National Congress in 1885 to create a platform for Indians to present their demands to the British government. Question 25. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by which Governor General? Correct answer is option B, Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie introduced the doctrine of lapse, under which princely states without a natural heir were annexed by the British East India Company. Miscellaneous. Question 26. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? Correct answer is option C, Paris in France. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is headquartered in Paris in France and was established in 1945. Question 27. What was the name of the first nuclear test conducted by India in 1974? Correct answer is option D, Smiling Buddha. India's first nuclear test, conducted on 18th May 1974 at Pokhran in Rajasthan, was codenamed Smiling Buddha. It made India the sixth nuclear power in the world. Question 28. Which instrument is used to measure humidity? Correct answer is option B, hygrometer. A hygrometer is used to measure the amount of water vapor present in the air. Question 29. Which is the longest highway in India? Correct answer is option B, NH44. NH44 is the longest highway in India, stretching over 4,112 kilometers, connecting Srinagar in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. Question 30. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? Correct answer is option A, Lake Superior. Lake Superior, located in North America, is the largest freshwater lake by surface area. Question which was asked in the first part was, where is the headquarters of the World Trade Organization? And the answer to that question is option B, Geneva in Switzerland. The WTO headquarters is in Geneva at the Centre William Repard. Geneva is a hub for international organizations and diplomacy, making it ideal for global trade discussions and dispute resolutions. Question of the day is, who wrote the book Discovery of India? Please write the answer of this question in the comment section. Thank you for watching. To support this channel, like, share and subscribe.